Hello students, in this video we are going to discuss question number 21 to 30 of alcohol ether and epoxide from advanced problems in organic chemistry for JEE by MS Chauhan. In question number 21 we have two alcohols along with HBr. As we know that if we add H plus to any alcohol, initially this lone pair will be protonated like this, and after that this water will be eliminated from the system and we will get carbocation. Okay, so this is the initial thing. So here we have two alcohols. Now we have to think which alcohol is going to be protonated. It is depends on the stability of the carbocation. Okay, so if you think the carbocation we are going to have after the dehydration, here we have 3° carbocation as well as this is resonance stabilized. Okay, but here we have 1° carbocation which will be stabilized only by 1 alpha hydrogen. So hyperconjugation is not a contributing thing here. So if we protonate, then initially we will get this kind of situation. So here we have 6-member ring, resonance stabilized, and the water is going to be eliminated will be O18 in this case. Now we have positive charge or carbocation in this molecule and we have lone pairs. So this lone pair can easily approach to this carbocation, and finally we will have this kind of situation. Okay, so it is a case of NGP. For this question, option A will be the correct option. In question number 22, again we have to add HBr. So again we have to compare the carbocation stability. If we see, we have carbocation in benzylic position in all the cases. Okay, so benzylic carbocation is stabilized by obviously phenyl ring or benzene ring. So all of them are resonance stabilized. But the thing is that we have some electron donating group or electron withdrawing group present in the molecule. So as we know that nitro group can show minus R effect, which is a destabilizing factor for carbocation. So in molecule 2 we have least stable carbocation, and as we know that by the lone pair of the oxygen, OCH3 can show plus R effect, and by this plus R effect it can stabilize this formed carbocation. So in the third molecule we have maximum stability of carbocation, and in the second molecule we have minimum stability of carbocation. Hence the proper order for this question should be option A. In question number 23, we have sodium borohydride and lithium borohydride, and we have to find 1° alcohol. Sodium borohydride is weak reducing agent. It cannot reduce ester, so it can reduce aldehyde to alcohol or ketone to alcohol. So in molecule P we can have this kind of situation. This ester is not going to be react. Okay, this is P, and in Q we have lithium aluminum hydride. It is a strong reducing agent, so in this case we will get alcohol, another CH2OH, and finally here we have another alcohol group. Okay, so now we have to find the 1°. We have to find the 1° alcoholic groups. Okay, so this is the 1° alcoholic group. This is another 1° alcoholic group. This is another 1° alcoholic group. This is another 1° alcoholic group. So in this case we have maximum 4 1° alcoholic groups, which is not correct according to the options. So here we have to add another option E, and 4 will be the correct option. 1, 2, 3, 4, all of them are wrong. In question number 24, it is a case of trans-esterification reaction. So if we add dilute HCl, this amide bond is going to be break. It will break and it will form NH2 along with C double bond OH, phenyl ring, nitro group at the para position. Now this alcohol and this acid is going to react to form the ester. So this is known as trans-esterification reaction, NH2O. So this is the case of ester. Alcohol and acid in dilute acidic medium can form ester. So it is a case of trans-esterification reaction, and option A will be the correct option. In question number 25, we have mild reducing agent or control reducing agent. Okay, mild reducing agent or control reducing agent. So in this case, this 2-degree alcohol is going to give a ketone in the final product. So option B will be the correct option. In question number 26, lithium aluminum hydride is a strong reducing agent. It can reduce this alcohol as well as this can reduce this ester also. So if you think about the stereochemistry of the reagent, we have CO2 Et above the plane, and we have C double bond O in the plane. So it is a sp2 carbon. So hydride can come from above the plane as well as hydride can come from the below the plane. Okay, we are not discussing about the major and minor product here. Here we are only discussing about the stereochemistry because the options are racemic, diastereomer, meso, or optically pure. Okay, so if you compare this position, we can have two situations where if hydride is coming from the above the plane, this will be the situation, and if hydride is coming from below the plane, this will be the another situation. So we have two situations here. Okay, and if you think about CO2 it will give 1-degree alcohol, that is CH2OH, and this will be the stereochemistry of CH2OH. It will be always above the plane. Now if you compare these two molecules, they are not mirror image to each other, but same connectivity or same linkage is present. That's why these two molecules are diastereomer to each other. So option B will be the correct option. In question number 27, alkyl lithium is used. So alkyl lithium is strong nucleophile, strong base, and the basic property is always greater than nucleophilic property. Okay, so here we have two acidic hydrogens. So these two acidic hydrogen will be substituted and alkane is going to be formed in this case. So if you add two equivalent of ETLI, this will be your case. Here we have O minus, C double bond O minus. Now again if we add ET minus, this ET minus will approach this C double bond O, will be dissociated and we will get 6-member ring O minus, C ET O minus. Now if we add H plus, OH, COH, it. Now if we have two OH group in the same carbon group, water will be eliminated and B will be your final product. In question number 28, this is a case of esterification reaction. So initially, if we add dilute H plus to the carboxylic acid, this oxygen is going to be protonated. Okay, now one of the alcohol group will approach as a nucleophile like this. Now if we compare the steric hindrance, this is 1 degree and this is a 2 degree with a ring like system. Okay, so 1 degree they are less sterically hindered and nucleophilicity is inversely proportional to steric hindrance. If you have more steric hindrance, it cannot be a good nucleophile. So in this case we have two alcohol groups, but 1 degree alcohol groups will behave like strong nucleophile in this case or less sterically hindered nucleophile in this case. So this CH2OH, this OH group will approach to form the ester. Hence for question number 28, option B will be the correct option. In question number 29, it is a case of SN-NGP reaction. Phenyl group can show NGP case here. So initially this pi bond will be migrate and this OTS will be eliminated from the system. So we are going to have an intermediate like this, hydrogen, 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 positive. So this is a square and this is a circle. Okay, now we have nucleophile COO minus here. It can approach to this carbon as well as to this carbon to give two different product. But here we have NGP of phenyl ring. We have discussed elaborately about the NGP of the phenyl ring in the questions of substitution reaction. You can check the previous videos of substitution reaction for detailed mechanism. So option C will be the correct option for this question. In question number 30, we have nucleophilic approach to the anhydride. So you can write only nucleophile for the simplicity. So nucleophile can approach to one of the C double bond and we will get this kind of situation as a final product. Now if we compare the electronegativity of oxygen and nitrogen, nitrogens are less electronegative, so they are more nucleophilic. So in this case, this nitrogen will approach acidic anhydride to great extent to give the final product, which is option C. Okay, so for question number 30, option C will be the correct option. Thank you for watching.